Have you ever pondered the vast diversity of life sprinkled across North America's expansive landscapes? From the snow-capped peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the sun-drenched beaches of Florida, from the bustling metropolitan life of New York City to the tranquil bayous of Louisiana, life in North America is a rich tapestry of contrasts and similarities. In the northeastern region of North America, the rhythm of life thrives in the heart of urban jungles. New York City, often called the city that never sleeps, pulses with a vibrant energy that is both exhilarating and relentless. Skyscrapers reach for the heavens while the streets below teem with a multicultural population that is as diverse as the city itself. The pace of life here is brisk, mirroring the rapid heartbeat of the city. Yet, in contrast, the quieter, more rural regions of New England offer a slower pace, where life is steeped in history and the changing seasons paint a picturesque landscape. Journey to the south, and the rhythm slows. Here, in places like Louisiana and Florida, life takes on a more relaxed pace. The South is a place where traditions hold strong, where the scent of magnolia blossoms and the taste of sweet tea and gumbo are woven into the fabric of everyday life. The vibrant music of New Orleans and the pristine beaches of Florida provide a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of northeastern city life. Venture west, and the scenery changes again. The western regions of North America are characterized by their stunning natural beauty. From the rugged coastlines of California to the majestic Rocky Mountains, life here is intrinsically tied to the land. Out here, the pace of life is dictated not by the ticking of a clock, but by the rising and setting of the sun. Yet, in cities like Los Angeles and San Francisco, the pace quickens, offering a blend of urban sophistication and laid-back coastal living. Finally, the North, or the Great White North as it's often called, is a region of vast wilderness and sprawling urban centers. Canada, with its stunning landscapes and vibrant cities, offers a blend of outdoor adventure and urban sophistication. The pace of life here can vary dramatically, from the bustling city life of Toronto to the tranquil solitude of the Yukon. In conclusion, life in North America is a rich and diverse tapestry, woven from the threads of contrasting landscapes, cultures, and ways of life. From the bustling cities of the Northeast to the relaxed pace of the South, from the natural beauty of the West to the diverse landscapes of the North, life in North America is as varied and vibrant as its people. Each region offers its unique rhythm, its unique flavor, its unique way of life. So whether you're drawn to the fast pace of city life or the tranquility of the countryside, North America has something to offer everyone. A beautiful life awaits in North America, a continent of contrasts and harmonies.